Ever stared at your budget, realizing it's time for a change, a clean slate? Maybe YNAB isn't fitting your lifestyle anymore, or you've found a new budgeting method that resonates better. You're thinking, how do I delete YNAB? It's a valid question, and honestly, it's a bit more involved than just uninstalling an app. Let's dive into what you need to know. First off, it's important to understand that YNAB, You Need a Budget, is a subscription service. Deleting the app from your phone or computer doesn't automatically cancel your subscription. You'll still be charged unless you take the proper steps. So, let's break down the process. The most crucial step is canceling your subscription. This is done through the YNAB web application, not the mobile app. To start, log into your YNAB account on a desktop or laptop. Once you're in, click on your name or avatar in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Within your account settings, you'll find a section labeled Subscription. Here, you'll see details about your current plan, including your next billing date. Look for the Cancel Subscription button. It might be a bit hidden, but it's there. Click it. YNAB will likely ask you for a reason for canceling. They might offer you a discount or try to persuade you to stay. But if you're determined to leave, simply proceed with the cancellation. You will probably have to confirm your decision a couple of times, just to make sure you're absolutely certain. Now, here's a key point: canceling your subscription doesn't delete your data immediately. YNAB retains your budget data for a period of time, even after your subscription ends. This is to allow you to return if you change your mind. If you want to ensure your data is completely removed, you need to contact YNAB support directly. You can do this through the Help section of the web application. Explain that you want your data deleted entirely. They will guide you through the process, which usually involves confirming your identity and your request. It's also wise to export any crucial budget data before canceling. YNAB allows you to export your transactions and budget information in CSV format. This is extremely useful if you want to keep a record of your financial history or import it into another budgeting tool. To export your data, go to the Reports section of the web application. You can then select the specific reports you want to export and download them. Remember, deleting the app from your devices is the easiest part. Once your subscription is canceled and your data is either exported or you've requested its deletion, you can safely uninstall the YNAB app from your phone, tablet, or computer. Finally, double-check your bank or credit card statements to confirm that your subscription has been canceled and you're no longer being charged. It's always good practice to keep an eye on your accounts after making any subscription changes. So, to recap, cancel your subscription through the web app, export your data if needed, contact support to delete your data if desired, and then uninstall the app. It's a multi-step process, but it ensures you've completely ended your relationship with YNAB. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.